without BSL-3 facility, the pharma or hospitals will not even trade any of the infectious cells. PDEU is especially focusing on tuberculosis, which is still posing a lot of problem. We are looking at cancer biology. Both this definitely requires BSL-2 and BSL-3 facility. This will be the first academia to set up a BSL-3 facility. This is a visionary initiative by our Honorable PM. Way back in 2011, when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he felt that the renewable energy vertical has to be grown beyond petroleum and coal. So we installed a 1 megawatt and it's there for the last 14 years. We are harvesting over 4,000 units of electricity every day. We have another demanding equation about front-end manufacturing, especially for semiconductors. We have established a very firm back-end processing packaging unit, and more than 2 batches of trainees have been trained through this semiconductor back-end training. PDEU has decided to go for a fab facility, and we are also looking for like-minded OEM partners who will go with us, or we might be even looking at 180 nanometer chips. We are collaborating with government agencies, especially for space application, automotive sector. So we are hiring another bigger instrument or for industrial grade, and we are also trying to maximize on the manufacturing.